Tool belt procedure. Number one is a proper tool belt, preferably kind of like a carpenter's bag. Carpenter's bag kind of has one big pocket, two small pockets, preferably a smaller pocket up top. Same thing on the other side, small pocket for like tape measure, a bigger pocket, small pocket here, and maybe a spot for a pencil or marker, and with a hammer hoop in the back. Number two, your tool belt should be tightly secure, high on your hips. This is the least strain on your back or your body and will allow the most maneuverability. Get it high up here. Some people wear suspenders, it's fine. I don't need to. I just wear them high up on my hips, kind of right where my belt normally is on my pants. Therefore, I can get down low, I can get up high, I can grab something, and it's comfortable. Number three, a proper tool belt will be equipped with tools needed for tasks being completed that day. Preferably, I always want to make sure you have your tape measure. You always want to have, no matter what you're doing, your drill. I always rock a duck knife. It's one of my favorite sheet metal tools. If I need to reach somewhere far with my drill, I always carry a long 12-inch extension with me. Always just carry all my deep sockets in that same pocket, and a couple other chucks. Therefore, that's all in the same pocket. I always make sure to have a pencil and a black marker at all times with me. Always make sure to have a little torpedo level, vice grips, reds and greens, Midwest, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of linesmans. These are tools that, no matter what task I'm doing, these are the basic tools that you need. I always prefer to get bags with two pockets on them. One so you can put our 5/16 screws that we always use, and sometimes we're putting in for wood straps or something like that. You want to have another pocket for a different type of screw. If I'm not putting long screws in, say I'm doing TDF, I would have my 3/8 nuts and bolts in this pocket. Tool belt should be worn on the start of your shift. So each shift, the beginning of the day, you should come into the job site. You should have a go bag with you with all your extra tools. Put your tool bags on and go find your foreman and say, okay, I'm ready to start. This is how you should be looking when you're on a job site working. Number five, bags may be taken off when instructed by a supervisor at the end of the shift. Your goal is you want to have your bags on at all times. Anytime I ever take off my bags, I make sure that the foreman on the job site is okay with me taking off my bags. Maybe he wants me to go receive a delivery and he's like, man, get your bags off and go out there and receive a delivery. That's fine, but really the supervisor should instruct you when it's time to take your tool bags off. And then another thing is your go bag. Your go bag should be equipped with any tools you will need that day. Your bag should be kept with you throughout the day. I always keep a go bag. Everyone should always keep a go bag. You have this, say we're doing spiral and I need my crimps, then I have them in my go bag. It's not a good thing to always be carrying all your tools with you. You want to make your bags as light as possible so it doesn't put so much strain on your back. So all your extra tools should always be with you at all times. Just put your extra go bag, throw it on the bottom of the cart, and you're dressed ready for work.